The complexities of tax planning are critical to a business's longevity due to a variety of factors. Flynn Accounting of Colorado Springs is the area's leading firm in working with small businesses to navigate the risk of owning and operating a business in today's challenging climate. Tax preparation oversight by the Internal Revenue Service lost a court battle in January when courts stated the agency lacked the authority to manage the certification process of the nation's tax preparers. The tax compliant tool has been planned by the IRS for years. The IRS based its issuing of tax preparation regulations from a law passed in 1884, yes, 1884, that the IRS could regulate people presenting a case before the Treasury Department. A judge has now ruled that tax preparation and submission do not hold to the standard of presenting a case. At the point our annual tax preparation process becomes a case, we are all in very big trouble. U.S. District Judge James Boasberg stated, filing a tax return would never, in normal usage, be described as presenting a case. At the time of filing, the taxpayer has no dispute with the IRS. There is no case to present. The challenge, though, still exists in how a taxpayer can go about choosing a competent tax professional. So Brian Flynn offers the following tips. First, once you move into a more complex 1040 filing with retirement and extensive deductions and business interests and real estate investments and other such financial needs, you need to stop self-filing or filing through an assembly line company staffed with minimum wage workers. It's time to move to a certified accountant or a firm that is licensed to practice before the IRS. Next, you need to contact someone you know who utilizes the services of a professional accounting firm and schedule a time to interview that professional. Also, read and study the content tax professionals post through their websites to determine if they are up to date with current trends in tax law. And finally, consider what other services you need outside of tax preparation. If you own a business, you may need accounting and payroll services in addition to consulting recommendations. Also, you may require ongoing tax planning services based on the complexity of your finances. So how does one choose the right accounting partner? Well, Flynn Accounting Services includes a highly in-depth knowledge of tax policy. Brian Flynn and Esther Daniels are both licensed to practice before the Internal Revenue Service. In layman's terms, Brian and Esther encompass all the knowledge of IRS auditors, but direct their talents towards helping business owners avoid IRS issues through proper tax planning and preparation. This is the kind of strength you need on your side. So contact Flynn Accounting for a complimentary consultation regarding your tax planning situation, and consider starting a new relationship with an accounting firm that takes a different approach in working with clients, one based upon trust, mutual respect, and a valued partnership.